It really surprises me that I didn't feel that heat before waking up to the sound of the alarm. It was like the minute that I opened my eyes, I felt the heat immediately on my back, and I turned around and I looked, and it's like a 6-foot flame in the corner of the bedroom, right next to the bed.
Half the room was on fire.
Half the room was on fire? Was that scary? But then you guys got out, right?
It's definitely a scary feeling because it's something that in that state you're just extremely vulnerable. You don't have any awareness, you don't have, any fight or flight until something was to alarm you, such as a smoke alarm. It's definitely an eye-awakening experience.
That is very amazing because many people don't have smoke detectors in their house, but when they work, they save lives.
It took me about a week for it to really set in, the fact that I really could have lost my life, and to just sit there and think that is what saved our lives is like, yeah, it's something serious that you definitely need to make sure once a month, whatever the recommendations are, because that's something I never did do. When it started beeping, because I know the battery is low, that's the only time I'd ever change it. Or I just get aggravated and pull the batteries out of it.
We do provide smoke detectors from the State Fire Marshal. Reach out to your local fire departments, whether it's Luling or anywhere else in Louisiana, and we will install smoke detectors.
Smoke alarms, sit left.